Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are being safe. Today I'll be showing you guys this no makeup look, which is this quarantine edition. So if you're interested, then continue watching. Firstly, I've already cleansed my face. Now I'm going to be double cleansing using this micellar water. Though you have washed your face, there will be little bit dirt left. So using some toner or micellar water helps to remove extra dirt. Then next step, I'm using this tinted dewy primer from Wet n Wild. You can also use liquid highlighter for this step. So make sure you just apply it all over your face and blend it nicely into your skin. This will help your makeup to look natural, and it feels like your skin is glowing from within after your makeup. That is the best part. And also I'm not using any highlighter in this video, so this step will help my skin look glowy and healthy at the same time. And then moving on, I'm using these two concealers. One is a dark shade and one is my skin tone shade. So first step, I'm gonna be using this dark shade to conceal my spots, dark circles and blemishes, and making sure it's blended nicely. So this way it will make sure your darkness is corrected. And then I'm using this concealer which is near to my skin tone. I'm applying it wherever it's necessary, and then I'm making sure it's blended nicely. I'm not applying this concealer all over my face. It's just the place where you exactly need coverage and where you want to make your skin tone look even. Also take time in blending the concealer nicely into your skin so that it will look like your skin itself and not too cakey. So if you don't need corrector, you can just skip it and use the concealer which is near to your skin tone, and that will be good enough. And then to set my concealer, I'm using this compact which is again near to my skin tone. I'm gonna be setting my concealer with this and making sure it is pressed nicely. I'm not swiping it, I'm pressing it. Then to set my full face using this setting spray, it will help to melt all the powders and make it look as natural as it can. So once I have done setting my base, I'm gonna be curling my lashes and using this mascara for my upper and bottom lashes. So this makeup look can be done for your work from home, video call meetings, or just like that to make yourself energetic in this situation. So for that reason, I've shown you guys simple steps with less products so that you feel good and positive. At the same time, you have that mood to work from home. So yeah, the next up, I'm using this blush, applying with the same beauty blender so that it will look more natural and not powdery. And also it gives some definition to our face which looks natural, and it feels like as if we are blushing from within, which we are not right now, but it's just the hack and it looks natural as well. So once I'm done applying blush, I did apply little on my nose, and then moving on filling my eyebrows with the eyebrow enhancer. And I'm not precisely filling my eyebrows, I'm just randomly filling, and then I'm flicking my eyebrows outwards like this. This looks more fierce and I like this kind of eyebrows these days, so I'm doing same. Then for my last step, I'm using this pinky nude lipstick from NYX, applying it all over my lips, and I'm blending it with my fingers. So that concludes my no makeup look for this quarantine edition. I hope you guys like it and this video will be helpful. Obviously, I'm not asking you guys to apply makeup and sit at home, but still if you feel like applying makeup, then you can use the simple steps and you can start your day. With that being said, I'll finish this video. Thank you all so much for watching.